Hello lovely shoebox packers, welcome back to my channel Mrs. Newfie Fan, and my name is Sarah. Today we're doing Hello Kitty, as evidenced by the title of this video. So this one I've actually been working on for a while. I was collecting items last year, and it was missing kind of the main item I wanted to put in. I definitely wanted like a Hello Kitty plush, or something themed to Hello Kitty that was soft and cuddly. Anyways, finally I found an item on Christmas clearance, so I was super excited. I could finally kind of piece this box together, and yeah, it'll be ready to go. So I loved Hello Kitty when I was a little girl. I actually discovered it before I even knew what it was. I found some cute stationery in a store when I was on vacation with my parents, and I was young. I was like 7 years old, I think. So, and I think Hello Kitty was probably pretty new. Maybe for Canada back then, I'm not sure, but anyways, that was when I fell in love with Hello Kitty, back when I was wee little girl. But anyways, my two daughters, they both have loved Hello Kitty and Sanrio characters and stuff through the years, so yeah, it was a natural that I wanted to do this box. So did my rubber band just break, or did it just snap on me? So this one is cinched full and will pop open. And I have my little post-it note, but I think this box is complete. I don't think there's anything else that needs to go in this one. So here it is. You are beautiful, for you are fearfully and wonderfully made. And I got this from one of the Facebook groups. I don't remember which. It was either Sending Shoeboxes or OCC Shoebox Packers. And yeah, I love that lid design. It's so pretty. And the pink just goes perfect. So I'll take it what's in the back, if I can. Like I said, this one is pretty tight. Okay, here we go. So she does have, of course, the two Canadian exercise books, 32 pages. She has a Hello Kitty paint with water. And like I said, some of this I've had for a while because I've kind of been collecting this box for a while. And I loved these when I was younger, these paint with water books. Weren't they magical when you were a little kid? And I do have some paint brushes in her pencil case for her. So love that. And this is an advanced coloring book. And I don't know if I mentioned, but anyways, this is for 5 to 9. But I still really like this coloring book. Nice white pages. They're like posters, really. And yeah, I thought this was great for a little girl. There's so many great pictures in here. And I got this at Dollarama, I believe. Yes, I think. I love that. And this was the item that the box was held up on. I wanted like a little plush or cuddly or something to go in. And this is actually one of the ones that flips, so you can turn it inside out. I'm not going to flip it. It turns into like a little present. Almost like a little Christmas present. And this is a Christmas plush, as you can see by the little Christmas hat. But yeah, I thought this was so adorable. And these are McDonald's toys, I believe. They were an older one, and I think his name is it Croppy? I could be saying it wrong. My daughters will be disappointed in me. Anyways, these are just little hangers. They can hang off zippers or bags or whatever. And this is Walmart clearance, usually at the end of Christmas. It's like little jewelry sets, and they come with a little case sometimes too. So I gave her the case. And inside, I've got one pair of underwear for her. So it's nice and discreet and tucked away. And I packed size 12 for my girls 5 to 9. I know it's so hard to know what size to pack. But I find the underwear is a bit of a small make, so hopefully. And as well, I have all her little hair stuff inside. So she's got some like little ponytail holders, a couple big hair ones, and her little hair clips. I've got 3 pink. Actually, I think there should be 4. I thought I had 4 put in. Oh, yes, I do. I can't count. 2 darker pink and 2 light pink. And then lots of little hair ties. And so that was in her little case. And this was an Easter egg that had various items in it that I got on clearance last year. So it's a spin top. And it came with a jump rope, cute little jump rope. And I think there might be one more item in here. Oh yeah, there is, right here. A little mini Frisbee. So that was inside like a little Easter egg. So that's something cute to look out for in Walmart, maybe after Easter, if there's any clearance. These Easter eggs, they do have cute little toys inside that make fun fillers for the boxes, for all the nooks and the crannies. And this is back to school clearance that I bought last year too. And these are slap bracelet rulers. And they're really fun. So this one has strawberries on it, and I don't know, it just made me think of Hello Kitty with the pink and the red. And they do roll up just like a slap bracelet. I have her little pretend kitty ear headband, and of course in a bright pink. And I also gave her a pink and a little black with a little tiny bit of glitter thread running through it. Pink and black headbands. And here's her t-shirt. It is not Hello Kitty themed, but it reminded me. Let me see if I can do this without messing up my nice roll. It's a little like milkshake smoothie, and I just like the colors in this one. And it just kind of gave me Sanrio Hello Kitty vibes. And this is a 10-12, and I love the bright yellow too. Yeah, that's her t-shirt, and that's from Children's Place. And here's her comb. And these are really cute. I don't know if I showed these. This is a this year's item. It's Valentine's from Dollarama, and they come with a little bouncy ball. And I just thought they were so cute. And it says, "Hey Valentine, just roll with it." All of them have like play on words, like bounce or something like that. So anyways, a little tiny bouncy ball. And of course I gave her the little kitty notebook. I got these from Dollarama, so they're plain on one side and some lines on this side like a notebook. And they have that cute little handle for kids, so I really like that. I haven't been able to find these since, which is too bad. I wish I had bought more of this style of notebook. But anyways, and here is, I got this Christmas clearance like the year before, and this came with 3 lip smackers inside. So I did open it up. Obviously I split up the lip smackers. I have some for other boxes, but I filled this tin with surprises for her. So in here she has, let's see, she's got her lip smacker. And what was the flavor on this one? This is banana cream pie. They smell amazing. And I put in these little lip glosses. They're just like solid little lip glosses, Hello Kitty ones. And she's got 2 bracelets. One says BFF and the other one's just pink with hearts. She's got her pink whistle. And I'll show you this now in a second once I get everything else out. She's got these little Magic Motion stickers. Starting to run out of these. I've had a lot of these in my boxes last year, but they're really fun. So I put 4 of those in. And oh, this was another item actually from the Easter egg as well. Had a little paddle ball game, and that's in the bottom. And this, it's almost like a little squishy figure. So this is Cinnamon Roll. This was actually the favorite character of both my girls. Both my girls love Cinnamon Roll. And it opens up, and it can be like a little bracelet as well, so they can put it on their wrist. They're super cute. And then it just pops right back in and makes the little character. I love those. So that's in her little lip smacker tin. And of course I gave her some bow socks. These are adorable. These are from Children's Place. This was some clearance I just got recently. So that helped finish this box as well too. I was waiting on some cute socks. So little bow socks. And of course here's my little doodle pad. I love putting these in lots of my boxes, sorry. Love to give my kids plain paper so they got something to draw on. And here is her little cloth, little peachy color. Here is her colored pencils. And these are 10 or 12, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. These are 12, so she's got 12 colored pencils. She has a Hello Kitty toothbrush with the cap. So these are really nice. And that has like a little Magic Motion picture on the cap too. This came from Dollarama And again, I haven't seen these there since. So I wish I bought one for one of my girls too. It's like their travel toothbrush. So they have a Hello Kitty toothbrush too. She got a little pink pop tube. And this I bought, I think when I was down in the US. I think I got this from Five Below, I can't remember. But anyways, I just thought it was so cute. And I put it aside, and of course it ended up in my Hello Kitty Sanrio box. And it's like the teensiest little binder with just little note paper inside with Pomperin. I think that's how you say his name, Pomperin. It's the little dog's name. It's so cute, and there's a little image of him on each page. So anyways, I just thought that was adorable. As mentioned in my birthday box, my dolphin box video, I loved colored note paper and fancy notebooks and things, so that was too cute. And here is her pencil pouch, and it is the usual stuff. I'll quickly show you what's inside. I do have one of the little googly eye puppets, and it's of course pink. She's got 3 cap erasers. Here's her little sharpener. And I did put in some cute erasers. Little kitty cat, and I think I got a paw print, yeah. And a little cat paw print too. And there's her standard white eraser. And let's see what I can get out here. Yeah, so there's her 2 little paint brushes for her paint with water book. And she's got her pencils, she's got a blue and black pen, she's got a nice bright pink highlighter, and she's got one of these fun gel pens. And I haven't tested these, but it looks like it has different colors of ink, so as they write, the color should change, go from one color to the next. So yeah, they're cute. That's her pencil case, and then inside I have, here's her prayer card. Kids like me are a gift from the Lord. They are a reward from Him. Psalm 127:3. Gave her a cute little bookmark. And this was a little Hello Kitty Valentine I found in my stash with some little Hello Kitty stickers. Even comes with a little envelope. And I don't have these in there, but I'm going to be adding them. I have these stickers as well that I pulled out of my sticker stash. So I'll tuck those in her pencil case as well. I found these Hello Kitty Christmas ones too. I found those when I organized my stickers. So I don't know if I'll put those in her pencil case or I'll just lay them on the bottom of the box. I'll figure that out when I go to put this box back together. I gave her 2 little figurines. I got these from Dollarama, and these little pieces come off and can be swapped. So he could hold the pizza and she could hold the pretzel. So they're super cute. And here is the tag from her plush, which I put in because it shows that it's a reversible plush and it goes from a present to Hello Kitty and back again. So I just tucked that in so she would see it. I also have a small 8-pack of crayons. I got these on clearance. I was watching these for a long time because I was like, I know they're going to get marked down. And anyways, I don't know, stuff was happening. I wasn't getting out to the store like I usually did. And of course, in that amount of time, Walmart marked these down. And there was only a couple left on the shelf. But anyways, oh well, I did get a couple of packs. These were the retired colors that they brought back for a short time. So anyways, it's just an 8-pack of crayons. And I put in a little purse for her. And I got these from Dollarama, and they're actually not a bad quality purse. I've tested all the zippers and they work quite nice. So there's a pocket there. There's another one here. And it does go all the way down. And she's got a nice adjustable strap. I thought it was so pretty. It's like a little sling bag, side bag purse. I didn't put anything in this one just because of the way I packed the box. I needed this to sit really flat on the bottom. I like to hide treasures in my purses, but not. Maybe I'll tuck some stickers. I'll see. Maybe I'll tuck a couple stickers in her purse, but whatever it is, it has to be flat. Here's her scissors. Again, I couldn't put these in the pencil case just because of the nature of the way I was packing the box. I needed everything to sit. super flat. And oh, that was the little tag. Oh, that came off her tag as well. There was a little to from. That was, so I might tuck that inside there and then just tuck that in our pencil case so it stays together. And I put something different in this box that I've never packed before, and I just felt led. I don't know why I felt led to put this in. So I don't know, maybe God has a plan for these items. But I put in some birthday supplies. So she has 3 cinnamon roll balloons that she can blow up. She's got a pink, white, and a blue. And I got a couple little hanging decorations. Let me see if I can pull these out. I can smell the balloons. You know, you can smell the latex of balloons. So these go like that, and they unfurl as you hang them, and then there's a little cinnamon roll at the bottom. And they're like the little swirly party decorations. So yeah, I got 2 of those put in for her. So I got this one and the one I just showed you. 2 little so I don't know why, but like I said, I felt really led to put in a few little birthday decorations for her. So maybe she's going to be celebrating a birthday. Maybe she's somebody who likes to decorate, or I don't know. But anyways, they went in the box. They're considered, I think, like tech stickers. They're like big ones for like computers and ones for like your cell phone and stuff. But I really like these. My daughter gave me these. She had some. She took what she wanted, and she gave me these 2 sheets for the shoebox. That was really sweet. So I put those in for her. And here's another full sheet of stickers. These came out of a book, and I don't remember what book they came out of. But anyways, it's a full set of unused Hello Kitty stickers. And right on the bottom is Valentine's Day stickers. And these are brand new, as in like they're this year's Valentine's Day stickers from Dollarama. And I love these. These are all kitty cat themed. And there's some these are like almost like scrapbook stickers. And these are so cute. They're like little postage stamps. So yeah, I really like the stickers this year in Dollarama. As you can see, she's gonna have lots of fun. I think that's it, yeah. So there you go, that's everything. And I don't have the little dolls sometimes that I put in, you know, like the little cutouts, like paper dolls. I'm out, and they don't have them in Dollarama anymore. I can't find them, so I don't know if that's something they'll bring back. But anyways, but she's got lots of other fun. She's got lots of activities, and she's got her advanced coloring, of course, and she's got her paint with water. So it's not like she doesn't have any activities to do. So yeah, I loved putting this box together. I love Hello Kitty. I still love Hello Kitty. I haven't grown out of her. So I was super excited to put this one together. And there's her little purse. She's set. She's ready to go. So anyways, friends, thanks for tuning in. Thanks for watching. I'd love to hear if you're packing a Hello Kitty box, or you like Hello Kitty items, or you found some stuff. Yeah, love to hear about it in the comments. And I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.